This is the Rebel Health Report. I am Joe Rignola. The country's first ever stool bank opened up recently, and if you think I'm talking about bar stools or stylish but overpriced kitchen counter stools from Crate & Barrel, well, you'd be wrong. I am in fact talking about poop. But stick with me here because this actually gets really fascinating. The stool bank, Open Biome, has started selling capsules filled with fecal matter. Seriously, hear me out. Just try to resist the urge to watch kitten videos for just a minute. It turns out the poop pills are actually a really effective treatment for the potentially deadly infection known as Clostridium difficile, or as it's known by its rapper name, C. diff. Fact is that in the US alone, C. diff causes more than 450,000 infections, leading to about 15,000 American deaths. Upon hearing this, Donald Trump immediately put forth a proposal to build walls around every American's asshole. When questioned about his plan, Trump stated, "Look, I love the C. diff. I love them. I employ billions of them in my own rectum. But they're bringing problems. They're bringing toxins. They're bringing diarrhea. They're killing people. They smell bad." Actually, he'd be right. Clostridium difficile is part of our normal gut flora and lives harmoniously amongst trillions of other organisms. It can become overgrown, however, mainly by use of antibiotics or infections picked up from hospitals or nursing homes. But despite the surprisingly large number of people infected and even killed, there's been a serious lack of government support for research and treatment. The only conventional treatment right now is just more antibiotics, which, by the way, is only effective about 40% of the time. The only thing the FDA has committed to is to say that if doctors disperse these poop pills or if people use them, we probably won't arrest you. Probably. Maybe. I can't guarantee it. However, in its first study, Open Biome reports that one dose of 30 poop pills resulted in the cure of 70% of people with C. diff. A follow-up dose resulted in the cure of 94% of those patients. Now hold on a second. Imagine if a bunch of brown people came to the US and killed 15,000 people. The US government would quickly launch an all-out war costing trillions of dollars. But here we have something that kills 15,000 people per year, and the solution is relatively simple and relatively inexpensive. Each dose of 30 pills costs $635. That means for around $9.5 million, we could potentially save 15,000 American lives per year. In a related story, pharmaceutical villain Martin Shkreli, who's infamous for raising the price of life-saving AIDS medication an astonishing 5,500%, has thrown his hat into the poop pill ring. Reports say that he's begun harvesting and encapsulating his own poop and selling each dose for $35,560. The treatment not only cures C. diff, but turns the patient into a raging narcissistic douchebag. We'll have more on that story as it unfolds, and this has been your Rebel Health Report for today. Leave us a comment and let us know, would you try the poop pills or would you roll the dice with conventional treatment?